Question number 16. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meter above a lake is alpha, the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake be beta. Prove that the distance of the cloud from the point of observation is 2h sec alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Let it is lake and from the point h meter above the lake, it is the point h meter above the lake, the angle of elevation of a cloud, let it is position of cloud is alpha. This angle is given as alpha. It is alpha. And the reflection of the cloud in the lake, let it is c dash. Reflection of cloud in the lake, it is c dash. And the angle of depression of reflection of cloud in the lake is beta. This is beta. Prove that the distance of the cloud from the point of observation. Point of observation is this, and the distance of the cloud is c, means we have to find AC. Let this point is E, F, and H. AB equal EF, then it is also H. And we know that लेक से जितनी हाइट पर क्लाउड होगा उतनी ही डेप्थ में इसका रिफ्लेक्शन बनेगा. मीन्स FC इज इक्वल CF. FC डैश इज इक्वल CF. This is the position of cloud and C dash is its reflection. In lake, जितनी हाइट पर क्लाउड होगा उतनी डेप्थ में डिफ्लेक्शन बनेगा. मीन्स CF equal C dash F. Then CF equal C dash F X. Let it is X. Point A is observation point. Now, in triangle ACE, tan alpha equal perpendicular means CE by AE. Tan alpha equals CE by AE. CE is the difference of CF minus EF. CE is the difference of CF minus EF. CF में से अगर EF हटा दे तो CE बनेगा. CF is equal to X. CF minus EF by E. CF is equal to X minus EF is H by AE, and if we find value of AE, X minus H by tan alpha, it is our first equation. Now in triangle AEC, tan beta is equal, perpendicular means C dash E by base. It is perpendicular C dash E by base. C dash E is sum of EF and CF. C dash F means C dash E is equal C dash F plus EF by E, and tan beta is equal C dash F is X plus EF is H A, and we get A from here. A equal X plus H by tan beta. It is our equation second. Put the value of A from first equation. We have X minus H by tan alpha equal X plus H by tan beta. Now break it into two parts. We get X by tan alpha minus H by tan alpha X by tan beta plus H by tan beta. Now X by tan alpha, X by tan beta shift to LHS. We have X by tan alpha minus X by tan beta, X common, then it becomes 1 by tan alpha, X by tan beta to LHS, and X common 1 by tan beta. Similarly, H by tan alpha plus H by tan alpha, H by tan beta plus H by tan alpha, we have 1 by tan beta plus 1 by tan alpha, and the value of X becomes H tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha tan beta into take LCM in this term. We get tan alpha tan beta minus tan alpha. Means we solve this fraction and shift it to RHS. Then value of X is Now we have to find the value of AC. AC is obtained by sin AC. Sin theta sin alpha is CE by AC. CE is x minus h and AC is unknown. Then AC is given by AC equal x minus h by sin alpha. Now we have to find the value of x minus h and put it in this equation. Now x minus h, the value of x is h tan alpha plus h tan beta. You open the bracket, tan beta minus tan alpha, and h is h. Now take LCM, we get h tan alpha plus h tan beta, and this term is multiplied by h, means minus h tan beta plus h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. H tan beta cancel out. We have 2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Now tan alpha is equal sin by cos. Then we can write 2h tan alpha is sin alpha by cos alpha by and sin alpha by cos alpha, in which 1 by cos alpha is equal 2h 1 by cos is sec alpha and into sin alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Now put this value in AC equal x minus h by sin alpha. Then x minus h, value of x minus h is 2h sec alpha sin alpha now it becomes 2h sec alpha sin alpha cancel out, and we have value of AC is, and it is the distance of the cloud from observation point, and it is answer.